how to word by word auto caption in CapCut. So in this video, I will show you how to get caption to appear one word at a time in CapCut PC. After you open the CapCut app like this, so the first thing to do, now here is the audio that I want to create the caption for it. Right click on the audio, or even if it is video, go to create compound clip. After you create compound clip for the audio, you want to create the caption for it. So the next thing to do, if you have any clip that has audio in your timeline, I will advise you to go and hide the clip. So this video has audio under it. I'll hide it. After you hide this clip, so then I'll go to caption, select the language for your caption. Now click on this template. So from this option, now you can select this quick, or you can select this one. All this template has one word. After you select this one, so here is now the sample for how my caption will appear. So now after you just select the template, you go to this option now, select this one. After you select it, then you click on this generate button. So now you allow it to finish generating your caption. So after your caption has been generated, so the next thing to do, you go back and unhide the clip that you hide. So now here is my clip and I unhide them. So now if I play now the video, as you can see, so that's it guys on how to create word by word caption in CapCut. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.